Hey, fourth graders. Today is Friday, October 23rd. For your e-learning day today, please make sure you watch our announcements here. For reading today, you need to do the lesson 5, which is your end of week assessment in Wonders. And then for math, you can work on at least one lesson in your measurement topic. If you are not sure or you don't have a code for your next measurement topic, just send me a quick message in Dojo and I will get you the new code. Let's see. And then for writing, you just have a grammar lesson today. And then I would like for you to choose one of the specials courses this week and choose an activity to do in one of the special courses. Also, sorry, go back to reading. It is expected that you are reading at least 30 minutes a night. Just reading to yourself. If you need some books Monday when you come back to school, I am more than willing to let you borrow some of our classroom books, or you can check some out from the library. Other than that, I think that was it on your list of things to do. And optional, you can play Prodigy. You can listen to books in Epic. If you have any questions about what your expectations are, you can send me a message in Dojo or in Kickstand. I'll be in Kickstand pretty much all day today. So just doing lots of things. Also, stay warm. It's very chilly outside, and I think we're going to get some snow. So make sure you at least go outside for a little bit and play in the snow. If you want to work on your writing, you are more than welcome to do that as well. Have a great rest of your day.